Mr. Chairman, should this committee, in its wisdom, find me worthy of holding the position to which I have been nominated, it is true that I would be going to a space that is not entirely strange or new to myself, having served in this ministry between 2012 and 2013. And so, to answer the Honorable Deputy Speaker on the roadmap to change the plight of our sports people, I can confidently tell you that I have a fairly good idea, a good view of the sport or the sporting terrain. And I am not under any illusion as to the state of this terrain at the moment. It is actually in absolute turmoil. As we speak right now, our football activities are in limbo, having been suspended by the World Football Governing Federation, FIFA. The Badminton Federation is banned. The Swimming Federation is banned. So the whole arena of sports is in total chaos. Kenya is in a state of a doping crisis. This year alone, there have been no less than 30 cases of doping, which is threatening to shatter the very fine, glittering image of Kenya as a fine state sporting nation. The whole benefit of pension is not available to our sports people. And that is why a lot of our sports people who retire from active sportsmanship, they live in penury. We've seen it with sporting giants like Kadenge, like our fine boxing hero Aruinge, who passed away the other day. And it's because there is absolutely no framework to take care of these sports people in their retirement. We have rogue agents who do not seem to pay any regard to the laws of the land. And I have reason to believe, from past experience, from information available to me, that they may actually be part of the syndicate that is drawing our sports people, special athletes, into these increasing doping cases. And so, should I be cleared to assume this office, I am determined to move with haste to start cleaning up this space, starting, of course, with the FIFA ban. If you cleared me, if I was to be sworn into office, my first morning in office, I would be on the phone with Mr. Gianni Infantino, the president of FIFA, to resolve the ban on FKF and Harambee Stars. I want to listen a lot. I would say that in my first 100 days in office, I would do a lot of listening. I want to listen to federations. I want to listen to sports people themselves. I want to listen to stakeholders so that we together can draw a roadmap to return sports to the pedestal it belongs. But most importantly, in line with the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, I would want to work with all stakeholders to turn sports into a huge industry that can help in resolving our burgeoning unemployment rate and also protect our sports people from exploitation, from the challenge of drug abuse, and the challenge of being able to live in dignity after retirement. Quickly to conclude,